Hey guys, good here. No, it's not sure about this. I just got back from outside. First, I was just watching YouTube on my phone. Using these headphones. First, I was just watching YouTube on my phone. No. Making this video because I'm bored. We haven't seen him necessarily clap back at a meaningful way. These guys have beefed back and forth in a playful, fun, where teammates were my dad is watching TV.
Bring up a guy's family in a way that's trying to use it to mock him. And Kuzma may
Don't
be
get
playing it
buried.
off right
Don't
now, but I don't know if this is going to set off a change in their dynamic.
But
Also
still.
worth noting, he named the track Kylie Kuzma, which isn't surprising at all, because that family actually monetizes their misogyny. They take their stay in your lane, which is essentially stay in your place, and they put it on t-shirts.
I'm gonna try to lose my eye
Female rep,
open.
female reporter, stay in your place. So it's not surprising at all that he would continue the
What should I do
antiquated BS. When I call a man a woman's name, that's the worst insult I can give him. I'm so tired of the Ball family. Can you just go back to Lithuania and take
School
with you?
just
I don't
ended
want this story to end just yet,
on
so Kuzma
Friday.
has to come back with a
But I ain't
report.
going to school
And it
for
has
all
to be
this
like, yeah, my father's not around, but yours is.
I don't care about the
And he should definitely write it in the notes section.
all we were gonna do is work anyways.
Do you find that everything is so good again with Kuwait and the Spurs? Hawaii is his name. I don't know
what should I do?
is. My father doesn't care about anything but LeBron. In San Antonio, the newspapers, there's some reports that everything is better. They're supposed to meet Popovich and Kawhi in the next week, and they're working toward an extension. I don't know what to believe because he's been so quiet, and he is always so quiet, but I would think that where he'd be right now mentally is, I also have to build a super team.
What happened?
I'm in the same position LeBron is. What we have is not good enough.
What?
It can't be one star and just one star with
What?
I'm guessing that Kawhi has to check other options because that's the power play in the league now. Yeah, there's a lot that needs to be figured out.
Got to about to eat dinner.
Well,
But we're not eating dinner right now.
Or does Popovich trust his doctor? How close was he to
Oh.
coming back? Does he feel like they need to bring in more talent? Is he worried about
Then take it out right now.
Is the Spurs feel comfortable giving him all of that money, knowing the injury is still there? And if he's learned anything this week,
Okay, I'm gonna start staying on my eyes open if I can't
meeting that changes everything in the world. Maybe after the meeting, we can decide if anything actually happened during the meeting and whether things have
if I can't
Hey,
sneeze.
don't worry about it.
So I'll just be waiting for me to sneeze.
I know that you're in South Beach this week. I don't know what you're doing. I got an idea of what you're doing, you know. The weather is nice, you know. The hot spots are nice. You got Roddy here who's going to throw those rings on the table, you know. I think that you're ready for a new adventure. You're ready for, different waters, you know what I mean? So I'm telling you, we're waiting for you with open arms. Come on down. That's right. How inviting is this? That's right. That's not at all. It doesn't smell good.
I'm trying to make myself sneeze.
What do you make of Rafael Nadal's opinion that prize money
Up my ear.
It feels like wonderful camouflage. It feels like he can't say what he really wants to say because
Hold up 1 second.
I've said it in the past that men should be paid better than women and say it that flatly. They get a problem that they don't want. But if you want to do this across the board for everybody on viewership, that's only fair in the women's game to Serena Williams. That's the only person who can.
Hey guys. Hi.
It used to be that the
Hi. That's my sister.
5 sets instead of 3. This is changing the argument. Well, he is saying plainly that the men deserve more than the women, and because he's saying it kindly
Bye,
and
guys.
gently, we should all approach the conversation very different than the former head of India.
Girl, they already got it. Already ended the video. Video, hey. The video's not even. Hold up, the video's still on. That in.
Hey guys, hi.
Girl, you already said hi.
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 Hi. Hi. Hey guys, so we're Hey guys. Today monster.
What's so funny?
Scary monster.
Scary monster.
Yeah.
Wonder what that can be. Girl, that ain't no monster, that's a dinosaur.
It does like this.
Do it again, do it again. Yep. Monsters go like some. That's a dinosaur.
Bye.
Peace. So good.